I'm not entirely sure why nobody's done this yet, but let's make Za'atar Beer Battered Fish and Chips. Flour, cornstarch, salt, baking powder, and za'atar. If the color doesn't change, you didn't put enough. Whisk, Almaza, Lebanese beer. Beer batter should be like pancake batter. Now put it in the fridge while you do the rest. Fries, salt, Aleppo pepper, cod fillets, or any fish you want. Into some flour, into the batter, and fry. Yogurt, za'atar. Who needs tartar sauce? Oh yes. Crispy. Chips, za'atar fish. That's a big one. A little more za'atar on top. Why not? Oh man. Za'atar yogurt. Oh, yeah! Oh man, that's amazing. That's so delicious. The za'atar comes through. The yogurt sauce, perfectly cooked inside. Want some?